recording. So this is a sky.
Wait.
Fun.
So wind's blowing.
Wind's blowing from about that direction.
What you want to be doing for your speed run, for long speed run, is from down there.
Way,
same as Luke was doing,
way.
yeah, and then pull up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Go.
Right. Throttle cut we're on.
I tell you what though, it's really hard to see with this camera because it's just white on cloud, white cloud. So I can't be doing no zooming in stuff. Jesus Christ, but I want a lower pass than that.
A lower pass?
Yeah, I want it across this stretch of green here, this green grass here. I'm on my knees for it now, boy. Too far over, you're too far over. Steve, I'm here, look. I'm here waiting for us to pass. Right. I want it down this channel here.
Down the channel.
Where's that going?
I don't know, but it nearly went in ground.
Line yourself up, got centre. Centre, here we go. Bit lower, bit lower, bit lower, bit lower. Jesus. Oh! Running too fast, not what I can do about that, mate. That's what Luke does. Is what is it? Yeah, nice and steady. As low as you can. Hovering. That won't rate slow, would it? I don't think it likes doing slow, does it?
It'll be a bit. I can do it a bit slower in the wind. It's going to be hard over them trees. Right, I've cut the power. It's on a glide.
Keep it in the air. It's a bit lower, bit lower, bit lower, bit lower. Lovely.
Do another slow pass after this.
I tell you what, them jets bring them all to the field, man.
Then what?
The jets bring them all to the field.
I'm not so sure. It's not quite as fast as the Fun Fighter, I don't think.
Yeah, let's have some of that on camera as well. With 4-cell. On little speed run tests. That's great, but only thing is if it hits ground at that speed, there's not going to be a right lot left of it, is
What,
there?
this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, any plane, to be fair. It's got to be touching 80 mile an hour, that.
Yeah, easy.
We're going to land it then, because my arm's hurting. I always like to finish with landing. I don't like to just cut it.
I'll piss it around a sec.
You just want that dog to chase it, don't you?
No. I'm going to come in on the next pass.
We're coming in this time.
Yeah, I'm going to come in this time.
Hands up.
Kill the power.
In between trees. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Ooh, sharp.
That-
That's sweet.
Yeah. That stopped quick.
Sweet.